My hair is out to play. My lashes are on point. My lip balm is giving. So let's just start this video. It's the day I give you your free vendor. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel or if you're just seeing this face for the first time, my name is Victoria Nzelibe and it's good to have you here. And if you're my returning subscriber, welcome back to your girl's channel. I've missed you the way you've missed seeing my face. In this video today, I will be sharing some vendor lists as well as telling you how to find genuine vendors in 2022. If that's something you're interested in, then you definitely want to sit back, relax, and of course subscribe to this channel. Let's get into this video.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.
Doing great things this year. I'm only giving you valuable, informative videos. Okay, that's what we're doing this year. Why am I giving out free vendor and why am I telling you how to find genuine vendors today? I'll tell you why. When I started my business, it was a hassle finding a realistic vendor, somebody I can rely on to supply me my minimum order quantity. I thought about it 2 nights ago and I'm like, why not just give people free vendor? I am a small beauty business consultant and I've had a lot of people reach out to me talking about vendor, how to find vendor, if I can help them order and things like that. Let me just share with my people how to get realistic vendor in 2022, what to look out for and how to find that either your raw hair vendor, your beauty vendor, your cloth vendor, any vendor you're looking for. Tips I'm about to give you will definitely help you out. The first place you can find a vendor is Alibaba and AliExpress. I'm sure you've probably heard that a couple of times and you've done your research yourself, but this is it. To help you narrow down your vendor, this is what you should be looking for: a verified supplier. Number one, once you see verified supplier beside their company name, that is a good vendor. And not only that, make sure they are 5 years plus. Okay, that's what I look out for in a vendor. I'm not looking for somebody that just started a year ago or 2 years ago. No, I'm looking for somebody that's been in business. In fact, I am looking for a factory. Some people are traders, okay, they buy and they resell even on Alibaba and AliExpress, while some other ones are factories. But not to worry, at the end of this video, I'll be giving you some factory vendor lists. So number 2, this is the best place to find your vendor, believe it or not. It is Instagram, okay? You can find a realistic, reliable vendor on Instagram. Yeah, just like it sounds. But this is how you find them. Use hashtags. Just like you post pictures or reels and you want them to go viral on Instagram, use that same hashtag to find your vendors on Instagram. For instance, are you looking for a vendor that supplies lashes? Hashtag lash vendor, hashtag lash factory, hashtag false eyelash. Anything you're looking for, just be specific in your hashtag and I promise you, you'll be looking at them on Instagram. Once you see the hashtag and you click on the hashtag, you're going to see a couple of people, both Americans, both Chinese, both Asians, Vietnamese, different types of people. So going to their profile is going to show you who is the realistic one, who is the vendor, who is the reseller, who is the retailer, who is the wholesaler. Going to their profile will help you find exactly what you're looking for. The third place to find a reliable vendor is on TikTok. Yes, TikTok is very controversial nowadays. And if you're thinking these vendors are not taking advantage of TikTok, you must still be sleeping. You can definitely find yourself reliable vendors on TikTok. There are so many of them, and just like Instagram, simply use hashtags. My last point is definitely YouTube. Now, to find vendors on YouTube, you simply, just like this video, have to go and look for people's video. Just simply type vendor list, hair review, lash review. A lot of people have made videos on reviewing products or trying out different vendors. You can definitely find vendors from those videos. Some of them are just influencing, while some of them are honestly trying out these vendors and telling you or giving you their best reviews about the hair they've tried out or the lashes they've tried out or different things. Okay, look for those videos on YouTube so that you're able to know the exact name of the vendor you should be looking for. And guess what, when you know those names, some of these vendors are also on YouTube. Yes, they are on YouTube. You just need to know their names to be able to find them. So now for my vendor list. This vendor list I'm about to give you are all verified suppliers and factories, and they've been in business for 5+ years. Okay, So the first one is for makeup lovers. Are you somebody that is into lip gloss, lip balm, eyeshadows, makeup, cosmetics? Then this is the one for you. The second vendor is, so if you're somebody who is into hairs, you sell hairs or wig, then this is the vendor for you.
I love the way you move for me, baby. I like the way you move for me, my baby. Baby, come and move for me, baby. Love the way you...
I know a lot of people are going into stick-on nails now, and stick-on nails are the it. A lot of people don't have the time to go fix their nails, and nails are getting really expensive. So people love stick-on nails because they are very fashionable. If you're somebody who is into stick-on nails, acrylic nail sets, then this vendor is for you. I am a hair vendor, a lash vendor, a lip balm vendor, a lip gloss vendor, and these are the things I sell, including other things like hair brush, makeup brush, hair trimmers for men and women for shaving, and so many other things. The difference between my hair and other hair is that I do strictly raw hair because I want to be able to bleach my hair and know that the color is going to come out looking beautiful, and it can be bleached to 613, to the lightest blonde. So that's why I always go for raw hair, even though it is on the expensive side. It is very expensive, but like I said, starting a business, you need a niche. You need to be known for something. I want to be known for selling raw hair. Wow, look at how this hair is shaking. Anyway, that's why I sell raw hair. So if you're somebody that's looking to buy raw hair in bulk, then definitely contact me. Likewise, I sell lashes. Now my lashes are strictly mink lashes. I don't sell fox lashes. If you want fox lashes, I can supply that to you, but what I sell on my website is strictly mink lashes. A lot of people are allergic to latex, so I always go for the hypoallergenic products, which are latex free. Okay, so that nobody's having any reaction, and protecting my business, as well as giving people what they require from my business and what they need. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you love this video. If you like videos like this, let me know in my comment section, and of course, do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel, subscribe to my channel and share. Okay, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video. Bye.